Hello friends, it's Danny here, and it's time to do another unboxing of the latest Crafty Crew Kit that's up for pre-order for January 2026. Let's take a look. I love that they come in this little mesh bag, easy to keep everything together. Let's go ahead and pull everything out. Chocked full of cuteness and great things. Set that off to the side. Get a postcard about things coming up. July 23rd through 26th is the annual virtual retreat. Has all the information you need about that. And a thank you where you can find inspiration. All right. Now let's see what this kit has in store for us. The first stamp set, excuse me, is Stitched with Love Meadow. And she is just adorable, holding a little teddy bear, sewing machine, and the sentiments, thanks a stitch, and hope your day is stitched with joy and sprinkled with cake. And then little accessory stamps. Super, super cute. Can't wait to play with that. And then the second stamp set is Stitched Whiskers. Cute little kitty cats there. And their sentiments read, "You're one piece I couldn't quilt without. Our friendship is tighter than my quilting corners. You're the best patch in my quilt of friends." I like that one. And you keep me stitched together even when life unravels. And it has the cute cats and accessories as well. Adorable. And then look at this pretty, pretty paper. And if you didn't know, when you order paper from Crafty Stamp Co, you get a handy sleeve to put it in. So this is lovely as a rose. And you get 24 double-sided cardstock papers. And they are gorgeous. Look at all those pinks. Pink's my favorite color. I just love it. And then the reverse sides is like a teal, almost like a mint green. And then you have some solids, which is awesome to go with, coordinate. So that is beautiful. I can't wait. Such pretty, pretty paper. And you get the quilted stencil. I think you can kind of see it there without the glare. It looks pretty. I can't wait to see that. And if you are a subscriber, you get 30 pink flower buttons. These are so sweet and will be fun to add to any project. And my little cheat sheet. Plus, I will have in the description box a link to the Crafty Crew Kit so you can pre-order yours, as well as a link to the playlist for all of the inspiration that will be coming out over the next 15 days. So you can check that often and see what everyone else on the team is doing and stuff. And I will have several more videos up using these gorgeous projects. So this is the January 2026 Crafty Crew Kit. You can pre-order it from December 1st, which is today, through the 15th. And then it ships out on January 5th. You can order it as a non-subscription, which you get 15% discount off retail prices, shipping included in the US, and it's $54.99. Or the best deal is become a subscriber. It's a bi-monthly subscription so you get it every other month. It's 35% discount off retail prices, shipping included, and you get an embellishment in your kit, and it's you get a 10% discount code for non-subscription orders, and that's $45.99. And then it would automatically ship to you. You wouldn't have to worry about it, and it would come every other month, so it's not like a ton of product that you're like, oh my goodness, this is building up. Perfect timing, and plus it's so super cute. And like I said, you get that embellishment. So again, you can pre-order from December 1st through the 15th, and shipping is January 5th. And you get that cute Stitched with Love Meadow 4x6 stamp set, the Stitched Whiskers 4x6 stamp set, the Lovely as Rose 6x6 pattern paper with that storage sleeve, and the quilted 6x6 stencil. And if you're a subscriber, you get the 30 pink buttons, and you get that awesome mesh bag to keep it all in. So I cannot wait to show you my creations with this kit. And again, in the description box is a link to pre-order this. Go ahead and sign up to be a subscriber. Yeah, it's really the best deal. And remember, you can order until the 15th. It ships to you on January 5th, so you have something to look forward to in the new year. And I think that's all I have for you today. Again, I will be back many times before the 15th to share some awesome cards we're going to create with this and hopefully inspire you. So again, check out the description box, and until my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty.